Hello everyone, I'm Jihi with Nuada Aesthetics, and we're back with an exciting beauty video. We'll be exposing the common myths around fat-dissolving injections. And on top of that, we'll also go over some tips and tricks on how to maximize the results of your fat loss treatment benefits. Let's get started! First of all, let's have a quick look at what fat-dissolving injections are. In our body, the process of producing or breaking down any substances should be balanced. But with malnutrition, stress, disorders in the thyroid gland, and for other reasons, failures can occur. This can lead to a faster synthesis, which can result in an increase in the volume of subcutaneous adipose tissue. Fat dissolver injections use natural enzymes and other substances injected with thin needles into the problem areas to break down fat. These products are essentially a form of phosphatidylcholine, which is produced by the liver to promote fat metabolism. Lipolytic increases the amount of phosphatidylcholine and helps to balance the situation. Using fat-dissolving injections is a good non-surgical alternative to fat reduction. There are two types of fat dissolvers, the direct fat dissolvers and indirect fat dissolvers. The major difference lies in the ingredients and the principle of action. Let's go over direct fat dissolvers first. They contain substances that help destroy fat cells. These substances include sodium deoxycholate, which destroys the shell of the fat cells, and phosphatidylcholine, which destroys the content of the fat cell. So the fat literally dissolves and the broken down products leave the body naturally. Now let's have a look at indirect fat dissolvers. They indirectly affect the fat burning process without destroying fat cells. They speed up metabolism, improve microcirculation, and provide lymphatic drainage. Such lipolytics are most often injected into the face area and into others where the amount of fat is small. The result is similar to natural weight loss. Also an interesting fact to note, fat dissolvers were actually originally developed to eliminate cholesterol plaques. During the development process of application, scientists found out that there is a fat-burning effect at the injection sites. Now, fat dissolvers have been modernized and are successfully used in cosmetology. Now that we have covered the types of fat dissolvers, let's go over some of the most popular brands. The first and most popular Korean fat dissolving product is Kabeline. It can be used to create a slimmer silhouette and reduce heavy fat. This is a Korean brand which can be compared to Kybella, and it's also a FDA-approved product. It's a homeopathic liposuction product, which is meant to be used for body and facial contouring and is especially popular for double chin removal, non-surgical, gets rid of love handles or stomach fat. So Kabeline contains deoxycholic acid, and when injected into the skin, it destroys fat cells. These are then naturally degraded and removed from the body. Alright, up next is LipoLab PPC solution, which can be used to get rid of belly fat, shoulder fat, armpit fat, back fat, knee fat, and side folds. It eliminates fat deposits and cellulite in different parts of the body. It's recommended to use LipoLab in the face to help reduce fat deposits around the chin and get rid of neck fat. The last product is SlimPoint for face and body. It's formulated with natural ingredients that promote faster adipocyte metabolization and prevent lipogenesis for long-lasting results. SlimPoint is created to selectively get rid of fat in specific regions of the face. It targets deep layers of the skin to restore facial contour and helps get rid of a double chin. Also, it dissolves fat in targeted areas of the face such as thick cheeks and high cheekbones. So these were 3 fat-dissolving products we would recommend to use. Although lipolytic injections have shown to be very popular and effective fat removers, the benefits of these products have been clouded by several myths. Let's talk about some of the most common myths regarding fat-dissolving injections, just so you have all the right information before deciding whether this treatment is right for you. Let's get started. Many people are afraid that fat removal procedures will cause permanent damage. The truth is that lipolytic injections are composed of natural ingredients which work with your body to reduce excess fat cells. When the fat dissolvers are injected and the fat cells are destroyed, the remains are naturally excreted by the lymphatic system. Although weight loss injections don't require surgery, this doesn't mean that the procedure can't be as effective. Like we mentioned before, this is a non-surgical treatment that involves the permanent removal of specific fat cells. The results can be maintained for as long as you also commit to lifestyle changes together with having this treatment. Results will be short-term if you don't lead a healthy lifestyle, like having a balanced diet and regular exercise. But this is the case with any weight loss surgery, and this is why weight loss injections aren't recommended as a miracle cure or to treat large areas of fat. Injection lipolysis will only work well if you're patient and give your body time. The results will vary depending on the size and area, with some larger areas requiring multiple treatments. It is highly recommended to do a full course of 3 treatments once every 3 to 4 weeks for direct fat dissolvers, or 4 to 5 treatments once a week for indirect fat dissolvers. Final results generally show between 2 to 4 weeks after your final treatment. Treatments including fat melting injections are indeed used to remove fat, but they're only used to remove fat cells in smaller, more isolated areas of the body that are more resistant to exercise and dieting. This includes the stomach, hip, chest, inner and outer thighs, upper arms, knees, ankles, and under the chin. These treatments are not suitable if you are looking to remove larger amounts of fat or overall body weight. Fat loss injections are the perfect solution if you are at a healthy weight and want to address the stubborn fat areas. Many medical procedures can be rather pricey, and your insurance will most likely not cover fat removal treatments. But most fat-dissolving injections are reasonable in price. The procedure is a simple injection, and with prep time included, will be done within half an hour, which is much more cost-effective than other more invasive fat removal procedures. Some people mix up fat-dissolving treatments with cosmetic fat removal surgeries like liposuction, but injecting lipolysis does not require you to go under the knife. This non-surgical treatment is a low-risk, minimally invasive, and more cost-effective alternative to cosmetic surgery, and unlike liposuction, it requires no downtime. Not necessarily. If you're looking to have fat removed from larger areas such as hips, treatments like cool sculpting might actually be more effective. Fat-dissolving injections aren't meant to replace a healthy diet and exercise. They're to be used as a supplement instead. One of the advantages of a fat-dissolving injection is that it does not involve a lot of downtime to recover. The maximum effect depends on the characteristics of each individual patient. It is still possible to increase the return on the procedure. Now let's go over some tips about how to maximize the results of fat-dissolving injections. You can alternate between using direct and indirect fat dissolvers. Stay hydrated. By drinking enough water, those fat cells will come out easily and faster. Every day, you need to drink 2 to 2.5 liters of water to maintain the water balance in the body. Wear shapewear. Although shapewear garments are often used after surgical body procedures like liposuction and tummy tucks, they have a similar purpose after non-surgical treatments as well. This will not only help your body expel fat, but it can also shape your body. Wear a band. Wearing a lifting band will encourage faster results, especially if you're targeting the V-line or the chin. Try to have the band on as long as you can within 48 hours after having the treatment. Watch what you eat. Eating more of the right foods gives your body the nutritional tools it needs to keep your body in top form. The right food also satisfies hunger and curb cravings, helping you to keep away from processed foods, white flour, and sugar. Right foods include lots of fruits and vegetables, lean and vegetarian proteins, and whole grains. Getting a massage on those treatment areas can be helpful and is very enjoyable. You can do it by hand or use any massage tools. Increase your exercise routine during your treatment periods, and you will get the most out of your treatment. Use this opportunity to really contour your body and build muscle. Do everything at once, and this will have a synergistic result, from training to diet and even how you sleep. Alright, I hope this video was useful and you learned something new. If you have any questions about this video, or if you want to see other Korean beauty content, let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell so you can be the first one to find out when we post new and exciting content. Okay, hope to see you again next time. Bye!